Hi guys, welcome back. This is our next lesson for your geometry. On the previous video that I made, um, there are some important terms that we define and give example. Now let's proceed with angles. So what are the types of angles based on the measurements? And we will also discuss supplementary and complementary angles. Now, by definition, when we say angles or angle, so your angle, in geometry, we define angle as a figure formed by two rays called the side of the angle. So the two rays, we call it as the side of the angle. And they share, these two rays, they share common endpoint. All right. And we call that endpoint as the vertex. Okay, example. So let us say I have here, this is the first ray, okay, and the second ray will be here. Now, as by definition, it says there, your angle is composed of two rays. That these two rays, they share a common endpoint. Okay, and that common endpoint, this is the common endpoint that we are telling. This here, that is your endpoint. Okay, so that is your endpoint, and that endpoint is what we call now your. So the term for that, which is very important, this is your vertex. Okay. Now your angle, you can name an angle by three letters. So let us say I have here A, capital A, and then the vertex is B, and this one will be C. Now in naming an angle, make sure that your vertex is always at the middle when you name them. Okay, so let us say this this given angle here, the name, make sure that we have to put the symbol for angle. So you name that as angle. It's like an L, but this is the symbol for angle. Angle A, B, C. Take note that the letter, the middle letter, will always be your vertex. Or you can name this one as angle C, B, A. Okay, your A and C can interchange, but not the B. Okay, so B is always at the middle. It's the vertex. Okay, so you have to base your name on the vertex of it. So make sure that the middle letter is the vertex. Or you can also name this one as angle B, just the vertex. You can do that. All right. Next is that your angle has different types, and it will be based on the measurement of the angle. Okay, example, the first one is we have your acute angle. Okay, acute angle. So what is the meaning of acute angle? So what is the characteristics? So your acute angle is a type of angle whose measure, okay, the measure, whose measure is less than 90 degrees. Okay, so the measure is less than 90 degrees, more than 0 degree, of course. Okay, so the acute angle is the measurement is less than 90 degrees. Okay, the next one, it's your right angle. Okay, the measurement of your right angle is 90, exactly 90 degrees. Okay, which is very special. This is one of the special angle that we have. So exactly 90 degrees, we call that as your right angle. The next one is we have obtuse. Obtuse angle in the measurement. The measurement of your obtuse angle will be less than, okay, 180 degrees, okay, but more than 90 degrees. Meaning it's in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Okay, that is obtuse angle. Example, if the angle measure is 135 degrees, that is an example of obtuse angle. Okay, it is not supposed to be equal to 90 because it will be classified as 90 degrees. It will not be equal to 180 degrees because if the angle is equivalent to 180 degrees, sorry, we call it as a straight angle. So straight angle, the measurement of a straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. So those are the types of angle based on their measures. All right. Now we proceed with um, supplementary. Okay. Supplementary. Supplementary angle and I'll have that in complementary. Complementary, sorry. Complementary angle. Okay, so this two plays a vital role on angles. All right. So complementary angles. These are two angles. Okay. Two angles. Okay. Whose sum of their measurement. Okay. The sum. When we say sum, it's when you add the two measurement. Okay. The sum of their measures. The sum of their angle measures. The sum of their angle measure is 180 degrees. So when you put them together, it's equivalent to 180 degrees. So example, if I have here an angle 100, his measure is 100, and then another angle, his measure is 80 degrees. Therefore, these two angles here are supplementary angles. Okay? So again, supplementary is 180 degrees. Another example, so if this is 90 degrees, okay, this is an example. If this is 90 degrees and they are supplementary, therefore this side also will be 90 degrees. So that is your supplementary angle. All right. Now, your complementary, Okay, the difference now. Your complementary, this is when you add the measurement of the two angle. So the sum of their angle measure is 90 degrees. So when you add the measurement of the two angle, it's 90 degrees. So example, if I have here, one of the angle measure is, let's say this is 70 degrees, and this angle measures, let us say 30 or 20 degrees, sorry. So if you add this two, it's equivalent to 90 degrees. Okay. Another example, if I have, let us say I have here 90-degree angle or a right angle, and you cut it from here, and then the measurement of this one is 40 degrees. Okay. Therefore, the measurement of this side here will be 50 degrees. Okay, so that is the difference between supplementary and complementary. When we say supplementary, the sum of the angle measure is 180 degrees, while complementary, the sum of the angle measures are 90 degrees. Okay, so again, if you have question, please email or call me. Thank you so much for listening or for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye-bye.